Hey guys, welcome to my channel. From today onwards, I am creating the video on the course in Hindi and English. This is an English video. If you want to watch a Hindi video, then the link will be given in the description. Today, I am back with another video. This video really special for user. This platform will give all the courses for 1 year. If you are doing or willing to do the courses for free, then you are watching a right video. Means I will tell you how to do a online course for free with certificate. For 1 year, you can do free courses with different university. Please watch this video completely and don't skip it because you will see the good platform course. If you are watching this video for first time, then subscribe my channel by clicking on the red button. In the end, if you like the video, then press the like button. In the description, you will get the Telegram group link, so join it because you will get the update time to time of the course. This platform name is Pluralsight. Here you can see the Pluralsight has done the partnership with code.org for high school computer science students to give you access of 350 courses with over 1000 hour content free for 1 year. You can measure your skills with assessment, learn from the best and stay in the knowing of hottest tech concepts. Not to mention, these courses have been mapped to National Computer Science Standard and Computer Science Principal curricula. For activating the benefit, you have to give your email ID, first name and last name with country name. Here you can see the different countries are available. So anyone from this country can do this course. After entering the details, click on the checkbox and click on I agree, activate the benefit. You will be redirected to the Pluralsight website. If you are creating a new account, then it will directly go to the login. After that, enter all the credentials. Then you will successfully log in the account and you can take a benefit of 350 course. If you have any doubt or query, then mention in the comment section below. Also, share this video to your family and friends because they can also get benefit. Thank you.